Welcome to this tutorial on how to swap crypto in Bitget wallet. Swapping cryptocurrencies is a common practice that allows you to exchange one type of cryptocurrency for another. To get started, make sure you have the Bitget wallet app installed on your device and that you have logged into your account. First, navigate to the wallet section of the app, where you will see a list of all the cryptocurrencies you hold. Identify the cryptocurrency you want to swap and select it. You will then be taken to a page that displays the details of the selected cryptocurrency, including its current balance and market value. Next, click on the Swap button, which is usually located at the top right corner of the page. This will take you to the Swap page, where you can select the cryptocurrency you want to swap to. Use the search bar to find the desired cryptocurrency, or browse through the list of available options. Once you have selected the cryptocurrency you want to swap to, enter the amount you want to swap. You can choose to swap the entire balance or enter a custom amount. Make sure to review the exchange rate and the estimated amount you will receive after the swap. Before confirming the swap, review the transaction details, including the swap amount, exchange rate, and any applicable fees. If everything looks correct, click on the Confirm button to initiate the swap. The swap process typically takes a few minutes to complete, depending on the blockchain network congestion. After the swap is complete, you will receive a confirmation notification, and the new cryptocurrency will be added to your wallet. You can then use the swapped cryptocurrency to make transactions, trade, or hold it as an investment. Best practices to keep in mind when swapping cryptocurrencies include setting a realistic exchange rate, being aware of market volatility, and keeping your wallet and account information secure. Additionally, make sure to only swap cryptocurrencies on reputable platforms like Bitget Wallet to avoid any potential risks or scams. In conclusion, swapping cryptocurrencies on Bitget Wallet is a straightforward process that can be completed in a few simple steps. By following the instructions outlined in this tutorial, you can easily swap your cryptocurrencies and take advantage of new investment opportunities.